Hello students, today we are going to start with the topic reflection, and as we all know that whenever we talk about the reflection, the thing which comes in our mind is when an object is placed before the plane mirror, the image is formed at the same distance behind the mirror as it is in front of it. As we can see over here that we are having this figure P and its image is formed at the same distance in behind the mirror as it is in front of it. Now here in mathematics, this is we have studied in physics, and here in mathematics we are going to study this topic with the help of coordinates, and that too is in a coordinate geometry. So very first of all, what is coordinate geometry? So the coordinate geometry is the branch of geometry in which coordinates are used to locate the position of the point in plane. Now here we have this as a Cartesian plane. This is written by x, this one by x dash, here it is y and y dash. This line is written as taken as x axis, this whole line from here to here, and then this whole line is taken as y axis, and the point where they coincide with each other is known as origin. Now to represent any point, we take two things, that is x comma y, like this. Here this x is abscissa, this y is ordinate, and together they form a coordinate. Now the abscissa is the distance of point from y-axis, and similarly ordinate is the distance of a point from x-axis. Now here the reflection of a point through y equals to 0, that is x-axis. If we are having a point P over here, that is x comma y, and it is been reflected through y-axis, so it will taking the same distance from here on the other side, and this will become P dash with x comma minus y. So we see that only sign of y is being changed because the position of x is same, it is lying in the same line, so it will be mx of x comma y equals to x comma minus y. And now for the y-axis, here when we are going to reflect the point through y-axis, that is if the point is over here, that is P x comma y, then it will reflect in this direction, it will be plotted somehow over here, that is P dash. Then we see that the y is in the same line, so we are going to change the sign of x only because it is shifted to the left side of the origin, so minus x comma y, and it is represented by my x comma y equals to minus x comma y. And now for the origin, here if the reflection is taking place from the origin, that is the point over here is reflected through origin, then it will come, its image will be formed over here, that is the negative region of both the coordinates. So MO of x comma y will be minus x comma minus y. Apart from these three, we have two more things, or a line through which the reflection can take place, and that is through x equals to a. X equals to a means the any line except to any line parallel to y-axis except to the y-axis. In that case, m x equals to a of x comma y will be written as 2a minus x comma y. We are going to subtract this value of x from double of this a. Whatever we are having the value of a over here, suppose it is x equals to 3, then it will be 2 into 3 minus whatever the value of x is over here. And similarly for the y, if it is y equals to a, then m y equals to a will be equals to x comma 2a minus y. That's all for the rules which we are going to use in this reflection. Thank you, and we're going to start the exercise in the next video.